Driverless delivery vehicles launched by China's courier company Cainiao Network had delivered nearly 2 million parcels from November 1st to 11th, as online sales rose in the run-up to the Double 11 online shopping festival. Over 700 driverless delivery vehicles, named Xiaomanlu or Little Donkeys, have been making deliveries since November 1st on more than 400 university campuses across China. Aided by an algorithm, the vehicles can find themselves the most efficient delivery route. Each vehicle can carry about 50 packages at a time and travel 100 kilometers on a single charge. Initiated in 2009, the once-a-year Double 11 Shopping Festival has evolved into one of the most expected shopping festivals in China. According to the State Post Bureau, China's courier sector handled 4.27 billion parcels from November 1st to 11th and 552 million parcels on November 11th alone. The Bureau said the courier sector is well prepared for the peak season that may continue until November 20th, and the delivery network is running smoothly.